Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awudhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة ولتجدنهم أحرص الناس على حياة ومن الذين أشركوا يود أحدهم لو يعمر ألف سنة وما هو بمزحزحه من العذاب أن يعمر والله بصير بما يعملون. Translation: and you will surely find them more greedy for life than other people, even more than polytheists. Each of them would like to be granted a life of 1,000 years, and that living prolonged life of more years will not save them from the punishment. And Allah is all seeing of what they do. In the previous ayahs yesterday, we saw that the Jews would never wish for death because of their sins which their hands have sent ahead. So in their hearts, they know that they have committed crimes and displeased Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for which they will be punished. And that is the reason they love this life so much that they would never want to die. And their love for this life is more than anyone, even more than the mushrikeen, the polytheists. And the reason can be understood because Jews have the knowledge of the book. They have the law of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Sharia, the law of Musa alayhi salam, and they had so many prophets, and all the prophets taught them about the hell and heaven. So they know in their hearts that they have done crimes and they will go to hell fire and they will be punished. That's the reason they never want to die. On the other hand, the polytheists, the mushrikeen, they did not have any law. They did not have like law of God. They did not have the book of God, and they did not have the prophets. So they did not know about the details of the hell and heaven, and that is the reason they fought bravely for their false gods. And in those battles like Ghazwa Khandaq, Ghazwa Badr, Ghazwa Ahad, they fought and they gave their lives for their false gods. But the Jews never did that, and they could only conspire behind the walls. As Quran says, New Warai Judur, behind the walls, they are, doing all those plannings, but they do not want to come and fight. Even if they are given the 1,000 years of life, even then they will be faced with the same thing. So the long life does not help anyone. And as a matter of fact, if some criminal has a long life, he will do even more crimes. So this long life is not going to help, and we can understand that Iblis or Satan has the life of 1,000 years, but this life will not help him. In his heart he knows that he is going to go in the hellfire. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Juma ayah number 8, قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون. Tell them, surely death from which you flee or run away will overtake you. Then you will be returned to Allah, the all knower of unseen secrets and the visible. There He will inform you of all that you had been doing. So, their long life, even if they get it, will not help, and they will be faced with that punishment. And in the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Wallahu basirum bima ta'amalun. And nobody has to say anything to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all seeing of what they do. And the same thing we can apply on ourselves, that instead of wishing for long life, what we should strive is to get good deeds in the life that Allah gave. to us, and we don't know how long is our life. So today is the time to get good deeds, so to make the best of it, to make the best of our time. Oh Allah, give us the guidance to the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.